Then Mak, are you going to help me to finish this project? The deadline is in today, you know.
Relax lah. You are already doing it. I will do it later.
Later? You have been saying that since morning. This is a good word, you know.
Bro, chill. It's just welding.
You know, Mak, you are so useless right now.
Shut up, Mak P. I will do my part later. Mak P, you think you my boss ah?
Hey, no one tell to be your boss. We are a group. We need to work.
You talk too much lah, Mak P. I know you like welding. You do lah. Easy.
It's about licking it. Huh? This is our mark. This is our group. You are dragging the whole group down, you know.
Bro, you so dramatic. It's just metal and fire. Not hospital surgery.
You are impossible, Mak. Every day, the same excuse.
What's going on here, Josh? I can hear you from outside.
You know, Mak still not doing his part. Since in morning.
Alright, come on lah bro. Do you think this is your living room? At least help your roommate.
Naim, I swear. Stop acting like my parent.
If nobody tells you, worry. Your attitude is messing up the whole workshop.
What's your mark, Naim? Do not start something you cannot finish it.
Then do your damn work and no one will start anything. Boy,
You really want to fight with me, Naim?
Enough! The machine was spinning!
Shut up, Mak P. Always you talking.
you use your time already for completing your work. Why don't you just finish your project?
Say that again. Say it again.
Guys, they're actually gonna to fight.
Yeah, which equipment? Welding equipment lah. They stupid. Let's toss it over.
Better fast. Someone gonna get hurt.
Mati, Mawek, grow up and you are guys acting like a kid.
Don't you talk to me. You think you better? You think you perfect?
Yeah, but at least I doing my work. Not unlike you.
I swear. One more word.
Stop it, both of you. We're going to fail this project, you know.
Fail then. I do not care.
Of course you will, man. That's no one problem.
Oi! What the hell's going here? Mapi, Marit, Naim, come here. I leave the workshop for 10 minutes and it's turned into a street fight. Are you all out of your mind?
Sir, they started first.
I don't care who start. This is a welding workshop. There is fire, gas, heat, sharp metal. One wrong move and someone's hand goes missing. Do you understand that? Marit, you are on your phone while people are working with dangerous equipment. Then you pick a fight on top of that. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry doesn't fit the fact that you endanger everyone here. This is not a playground. If you behave like this in the real industry, you won't just get fired. You will get blacklist. Naim, I know your intention was good, but you never argue inside a workshop. Take it outside if you must talk, not near a mission that can kill you.
Yes sir, I understand. Sorry.
Mapi, you should have called me earlier instead of trying to solve this alone.
I'm sorry, sir. I thought I could handle it.
This is not about ego. It's about our safety. Do you all understand what I'm saying? That
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam, Arif. workshop. I hope you all guys will graduation one day.
Assalamualaikum Papi. I really sorry to you about last week that I ignore you and I regret it.
I'm sorry to Mari because I punched you last week.
Hey guys, do you guys finish projects?
Yes, of course.
Wow, good. So,
Okay.
let's go.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So, the moral of the story is teamwork, responsibility and safety are more important than ego or anger. Cooperation builds success. Conflict destroys. Thank you. Ciao.